Right, progress. The Manly Man fidget box has been a little bit abandoned because I've been doing stuff like language and barbecues for the last couple of weeks, but a bit more progress. So now we have the sound triggering on the light shows, and also the top buttons are now wired in. But because I've got two units working at the same time, I can have two sets of sounds going on at the same time. Why would you want to do that? I don't know, because you're a noisy bastard. There's also a new refinement that I've got with the top switches. It's called the volume. When that guy's finished doing that, then we can go to... and whatever else is built in. As you can see, the subjects are clearly defined. Spacey things, tooly things, animally things, bangy things, electricy things, and mystery things. It depends what you're in the mood for. You get the idea.